In this tutorial, we will continue 3D house modeling and will create next set of elements. So now we are going to create slab. So for slab, at first we will create one layer. Click on layer properties, then new layer, give name slab, choose some color. Okay, then close it. Make the slab layer current and turn it on and make it current. And we want to put slab over this. So at first we will be putting in top plane, so we will change the plane to top. Then we will take polyline command. Polyline, you start from this point, connect all the external points, connect it properly, then press enter to come out. Then copy this line, copy, select this line. Now this line cannot be selected, so use a crossing window and select the object, and to remove this 3D object, hold shift and click on this 3D object, so it will be removed and only line will be selected. Then press enter, give base point, give the second point. So create multiple copies. So we are going to create slab, then parapet wall, then compound wall. Press escape, and one more thing will be footing below, so we will take one more for that. Escape to come out. Then for slab, press pull it, press pull, click, give the height of 0.15. Okay, it is not properly press pull, undo it, escape, undo, press pull, zoom it, and then it is okay, it is not getting properly press pulled, so we can also use the extrude command. Extrude, select object, enter, then give the height of 0.15, enter. So slab is ready. Then parapet wall. So for parapet wall, we will have to offset it inside. So choose offset, offset by zero point 0.3 wall thickness. Select object, click inside. Same way for p-length actually, we will have to offset by zero point 0.1 outside. So select this and offset it by zero point 0.1. And then for compound wall, we will offset by 3 meter outside. So select the object, give 3 meter, 3, enter. Then again we will offset it inside, or we will offset it inside by zero point 0.3. So again select this line, go inside, zero point 0.3 is already there, just click, then escape to come out. Then parapet wall, again use press pull. Now it is again not getting press pull, so we will just try to explode it. Sometimes polyline don't get extrude, so we will explode it. Click on modify, explode, select the object, then enter. Then again try to press pull it. Okay, now so you have to catch that point. So now it got highlighted, that means it can be press pulled. Click there and give the height of 0.75. Then next will be this. We will just move it away so that it can be properly press pulled. Just move it. So we'll use move, select object, enter, take it at empty space, then zoom it, then press pull, Hmm. That point is there. Click there and give the height of 1.5. Escape. So then this is P length. Again we want actually complete. So we will use the extrude command actually. Extrude. Select object. Enter. Give the height of 0.6. Escape to come out. Then we will place the slab. Use move command. Move. Select object. Enter. Take this bottom point and put it over the wall here. End point. Same way for parapet wall. Move. Select object. Enter. Take the bottom endpoint, put it above the slab endpoint. Then for this plinth, again move, select object, enter, and take this internal point and put it below here. So in this way, this is created. Then for parapet wall, for compound wall, again move, select object, orbit it, enter. So we will take this point. Actually this point will not be okay, here it can be catch. So take this point, internal point, and put it here, inside point. So then erase all these remaining object, enter, select all, enter. Now here you will see that actually compound wall is above the plinth level, so we'll move it down. So for that, use move, select object, enter, then take this point and give this as a second point. Escape. Now we can see that it has been in line. That means it has been properly moved. So in this way, compound wall, plinth level has been created. Then next will be to create steps here. So we will need 3 steps, 1.6. So for creating those steps, suppose we will make the steps layer current steps and make it on also. So here is the steps layer, make it on, make it current. So actually we will not need this, so we will just erase it. We enter, remove it, enter. Then to create these steps, so these steps will be for to check the plane, click on SI isometric. So that those steps will be on the plane parallel to this surface. That means it will be on the this surface. So when we take SI isometric, this surface is right plane. So we will take it right. So it is parallel to that surface. Then we'll take line command, give first point, make ortho on F8, then go vertical by 0.15, enter, then go horizontal in X direction by 0.23, enter, then copy this 3 times, copy, select object, enter, select the bottom as a base point, give top as a second point, make ortho of F8, enter. Then one more step, so copy it, copy, select object, enter, above point give it at bottom point, enter, and again connect the line, make ortho on, press F8, drag the point and click, then press pull 1 meter, escape, then move it again, move, select object, take the above point as a base point and give this as a second point. So in this way properly 4 steps are created. Then erase this portion. Then next will be to create the ground. So to create a ground, choose a top view, top, Then create a rectangle, take rectangle command somewhat more longer away from the object, click, then convert this into region, draw region, select object, enter, then click on AC isometry. So you can view this object and you can give it some color. Okay, again this object has been created above, so we can move it. So for moving it, we will say move, select object, enter, then give this as a first point and this as a second point. So it has came down, so now it is properly visible. So by double clicking it, we can change the color. So we will give it suppose green color, escape. So in this way ground is also created. Then next will be actually this portion is a, if we view it, we will just off the slab layer. So this is actually a veranda portion, that means here openings are required, so those openings we will create here. So person enters from here, here is the veranda actually, so here openings are required, so that those openings we will create now. So for that, so I will just change this color, it is very problematic for eyes, so I will soften that color. Okay, escape. Then here I want to create the opening, so for that I will use the copy edge. Okay, slab layer is turned off, so I can make that layer on slab. Okay, escape to come out. Then I will, okay, for, okay, let's try copy edges, select this edge, enter, give the base point, give the direction, and give the distance of suppose 0.5, escape, again copy edge, this edge, enter, base point, direction, distance 0.5, again copy upper line, enter, base point direction is below, distance of 0.5, again copy from here. Now here it is giving a error, a 3D solid must be selected. It is happening because there is one line is there, because of it is not, it is a 2D line, therefore it is not copying it. So what we can do, suppose it is a 3 meter height, we want it, so we will copy it from above, enter, base point direction, so we'll give it 2.5, not copied. Okay, we'll try it again, copy edge, enter, base point direction downward, and distance of 2.5, 2.5, escape. So it is copied properly. Then we will press pull it and cut it, press pull, click inside, go inside, give zero point 0.3 thickness, escape. So this has been cut. So same way we have to cut on this side also. So erase this line, this was copied by mistake. So same procedure we will do here. So again copy edge, copy this line, enter, base point direction is inside. So normally it should be taken at empty space, so that it will not take any other object snap and it will not go anywhere at other positions. So we will take it 0.5, again copy, take the above line, give the base, enter, base point direction 0.5, again copy, take the above line, enter, base point direction below, so it will be 2.5, exit, exit. Now from this side, so the internal we will just make the slab off, So we can measure internal, and for this we will give one layer and make it also off. So ground, we will create one layer for ground, new layer, ground, give color, okay, and make that ground layer also off. Then close it, change the layer of this to ground, press escape, okay, close, escape. Now here we can measure how much is the distance here. So here di command to measure the distance from here to here, it is 2.45. So we will make, suppose, a cut of 1.5. That means from here it will be 2. So we will again copy edge this line, enter base point direction 2. So it has been copied. Then again press pull it, press pull and cut it, escape. Then we don't need these lines, so we can erase it. So for erasing it easily, click on shaded and choose 2D wireframe as a visual style and erase it. Erase, select all the object. So in 2D wireframe it is very easy to erase the object, enter, and again go back to shaded. So in this way this opening is created. So here suppose we want to place some rods for safety. So to create those rod, I will create one circle, center point. I will give, suppose, zero point 0.2 as a radius, 0.02, that is 20 mm, and then press pull it. So the height we will measure, what is the height here. So it will be actually 0.5, that means 2 meter. We will just press pull it, press pull, go inside, give height of 2 meter, escape. Then move it, move, select object, enter, select quadrant on opposite side and place it here. Then move it outside again, move, select object, enter, give base point. Suppose I will move it by 0.15. Then array it so that all the pipes will be created. For that use rectangular array, click on this pipe, enter. So this rectangular array is created. So here I want, suppose I want one column, and rows. So distance I want 1.5 between the pipes, 0.15 actually. And then how many I want, that I will put, suppose I want 15 or 20, 23. Okay, it has been properly placed. Press escape to come out. And suppose one more. So in this way this has been properly created. So same way we can create here also. So we'll copy this pipe, we'll just copy this array, suppose copy, co, enter, select, enter, give the base point, give the other point, escape. Then we will move it and place it there, move, select object, enter. Again we will take the backside quadrant and place it here at the mid of this. Then again we want to move it outside by 0.15. So move, select object, enter base point, give the direction 0.15. Then click this array, and now I want actually one row and I want multiple columns. So I want, suppose I want 10 columns. So it is, and distance between them is 0.15. So again actually it has gone there, so we will move it on this side. Move, select object, enter, take this quadrant, then orbit it and place it here. Again move it by 0.15, or we can keep it as it is. So in this way this veranda portion is also created. So erase this circle. We will make all the respective layers on. Layers, that is ground, then steps is slab, press escape. So in this way this portion is properly created. So we will stop here.